So why do children find word problems very difficult? They may do the sums which are given in numbers. But the same thing happens as a word problem. They struggle.
There are two aspects to this problem. The first aspect is what everybody believes, that it's a word problem. It's written in a language.
Okay.
And if you don't understand the language, you cannot figure out what it means. And particularly it can have words like interest.
Correct.
It may not mean bank interest, it may mean
Correct.
something else.
Correct.
Okay, so people think that is it. And so many teachers give this hint of keywords. If you find less, you have to subtract.
Correct.
If you want more, you have to add. But this solves the problem of itself. The deeper problem is, if you take, say, 2 plus 3 and ask the student to construct a story for this, there can be two kinds of stories. One story can say, I had 2 apples, he had 3 apples, together we have 5 apples. That's one story.
Okay.
That's a one life situation. Another life situation is, I have 2 apples, he has 3 more than me. That is also 2 plus 3. But life situation is quite different. The first is called a put together situation. The second is called a more than situation.
Okay.
The point is, unless the child understands that there are 2 kinds of situations, all the time he will be thinking only of put together, because put together is a very simple idea.
Correct.
But more than is slightly more difficult idea.
Correct.
So now the problem, what happens is, in addition there are 2 life situations. In subtraction there are 4 life situations.
Okay.
In multiplication there are 5 life situations.
Okay.
In division there are 4 life situations. So unless the child is able to first understand the language, through the language visualize what is the life situation, and then only can he arrive at what numerical operation has to be done.
Correct. Correct.
So, both aspects are important. In fact, the second aspect is more important than the first aspect. Only if both are taken care of, this fear of word problem will come.